For this airbrush, we have two methods of cleaning. At first, the bubble cleaning. You can pour some water into the cup. And use your finger to block the needle cap, and push the button and pull it backward. And you can see bubble in the water. And this is called bubble cleaning. When you finish your cleaning, you can pull the water away. And now for the second method of cleaning, you need to use the clean kit, the brush, the dropper, and the mini wrench. At first, you can pour some water into the cup, or you can use some alcohol and use the brush to clean like this way. And when you finish this cleaning, you can pour the water. And now you can take this airbrush apart to do a thoroughly cleaning. You can use a mini wrench to rotate the nozzle apart, but this is not suggested if you are not very professionally, because the nozzle is very fragile and it is very easily to be damaged. And now you can use the brush to clean the airbrush like this way. And you can use a tissue or cloth to clean the needle. And assemble it one by one. Be careful with the nozzle. And push the needle to this extent. Rotate this nozzle cap and needle cap. And then rotate this screw and the airbrush tail in the cup. Okay, now here is the whole cleaning.